Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss terminals management. From the table screen, click on the menu button to open the left side menu. From there, select System Management, and then click on Terminals. This will take you to the Terminal Management screen. Here, you can view all terminal details, as well as add new terminals or edit existing ones. To add a new terminal, click on the Create New Terminal button located in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the terminal name, enter the machine name, enter the machine MAC address, set the terminal status. After filling in the details, click on the Save button. Your new terminal will be added successfully. You can also edit an existing terminal. Simply click on the three-dot action menu, select Edit, and a pop-up will appear. Update the required details and save the changes. And that's it. This is how you can easily manage terminals in Spirit VPOS.